Hi, today I'm making grape water kefir soda. As you can see, it's quite bubbly. This is 1/3 grape juice and 3/4 sweetened water that was sweetened with a tablespoon of brown sugar with grape juice. And my kefir grain on the bottom. Let's see how this is going to come out. Okay, this here. I could smell it. You can tell by the way it smells. Let's see. Oh, I think I see some grain coming out, but well, it's not very bubbly. But you can see that it is fermented. This is grape juice, and if I let it go anymore, it's going to taste like wine and like grape wine, and I don't want that. So this is good enough for me. Still like a grape soda. It's probiotic. It's all good. Bye.